Today was a very big day for Anna and Peter's family.
They were going on a family holiday. Their flight was at 9 o'clock in the morning.
David, it is already 6:30. We need to leave now. The airport is 1 hour away.
Oh no! I thought we had more time! Children, finish your breakfast quickly! It's heavier than it looks.
We have to go, we're late. Kids, get in the taxi now. Wow, look at the screens. Anna, look, a plane. That is going to be us very soon. They arrived at the airport at 7:45.
Okay, 1 bag, 2 bags, 3 bags. Good. Everyone, stay together. We have 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Inside the airport, it was very big and very busy. There, flight SK-204 to Barcelona, departing at 9 o'clock, gate 7. Check-in closes at 8:30. They joined the check-in queue. Mom opened her bag for the travel documents. Mom found the passports. She found the hotel booking. But then, she stopped. The boarding passes. She could not find the boarding passes. David, I cannot find the boarding passes. They are not here. I printed 4 boarding passes last night. Where are they?
I thought you had them. I gave them to you this morning on the kitchen table.
I know exactly what we need to do. If we take the express train, we'll be there before they even notice we're gone. Wait. Dad, wait. You always put important papers inside your blue travel notebook. Did you check there?
Dad stopped. Then he opened his suitcase very fast. He opened the notebook. And 4 boarding passes fell out.
I found it right here in the bag.
Oh, thank goodness. We can go, we can go. Anna. You saved us. How did you know that?
You always do it at home, Dad. I just remembered. But when Peter walked through the scanner, it beeped. Peter put his hand in his pocket. He found something. I forgot about my racing car. I put it in my pocket yesterday. Peter. Them for saying we are right. We are at an airport, not a toy shop.
After security, they walked quickly to gate 7.
Mom, can we please get a chocolate croissant? I am very hungry.
Peter, gate. Now, food on the plane.
They arrived at gate 7 with 30 minutes to spare. We made it. I told you we would make it, Sarah. We made it. I told you we would make it, Sarah.
David, you forgot the boarding passes in your notebook.
But then an announcement came.
Attention passengers. Flight 605 to London Heathrow has been delayed due to unexpected mechanical...
Attention please. Flight SK-204 to Barcelona has been moved to gate 14.
Oh, look! They're boarding flight 405 right now. We have to go. Grab the bags. The family ran as fast as they could.
Left here, then straight. Gate 14 is at the end. Peter ran very fast, but his shoelace was coming undone.
Then Peter tripped. Oh.
I am so sorry, sir. Are you okay? I did not see you.
I am quite all right, young man. No need to worry. Now, tie your shoelace before you run again.
Peter quickly tied his shoelace. The family waited. Every second counted.
There! Gate 14! I can see it!
Run! Wait! Please, wait!
We are here for the flight to London.
The gate is almost closed. Please, we are here.
Flight SK204. 4 passengers, please do not close the gate. The officer looked at the boarding passes. Then she looked at the screen.
You made it, just in time. Welcome aboard. Please proceed through the gate.
They made it! We did it, Anna! We did it, Anna. We actually did it!
They boarded the plane and found their seats.
Peter looked out of the window. His eyes were very big. Dad was very tired, but very happy. Anna, here, half for you, because you saved us today with the notebook idea. Thank you, Peter. And you saved us by stopping to help that old man. That was kind.
The plane began to move. The adventure was finally beginning.
The plane went up and up and up.
Anna, we are above the clouds. I can see the clouds below us. And then Anna saw a familiar face. Mr. Collins, you are on our plane. Are you going to Barcelona too?
Indeed I am. I visit my daughter there every year. Small world, isn't it?
Look here, Peter. This belonged to my grandfather.
Wow, is that a real treasure map? It looks ancient.
It showed him the whole world.
This is my daughter. She lives in Barcelona. I have not seen her in 1 year. I miss her very much.
I understand. I miss people too when I do not see them. I hope you have a wonderful time with her.
We are now beginning our descent into Barcelona.
We finally made it to Barcelona!
Look at all the sunshine!
At the exit, a woman ran toward Mr. Collins.
Father, I missed you so much. My darling girl, it is so good to see you. Because that is what families do. They keep going, no matter what. And remember, the journey is always